Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have copyright music in this game, so that's why it's all turned down. And let's get into the video. Okay, so you're gonna tell me I'm gonna fail this hobby. Alright, this is my attempt 151. And I'm not lying. It's so freaking difficult. I'll put the game in the description so you can figure yourselves up on this. But this is like, you actually have to play the game to get to this hobby. Like, you have to be on 1,000,000 total texts until I got to this hobby. It's so freaking difficult. I almost wanted to report the game for making their hobby so damn difficult. But I thought, no, I'm not going to report it. Roblox is going to ban me. I pressed the space bar, man, and it did not work. So, like, on that stone jump thing, when I try to press the space bar, it doesn't freaking work. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, we're actually kind of doing it. Yeah, we're doing it. No! No! I'm returning home. I'm gonna look for the 900,000. You haven't done this hobby yet, and it looks pretty hard. Not gonna lie. Oh wow. Nice, dude. Go past your idiot. I'm gonna fail at this damn hobby. See, look at that. That was so damn easy. We got 600 diamonds. And now let's go to that stupid hobby after we buy a skin crate. 100,000 skin. Okay, it's designing. Oh my god. Oh, it's like one of those things in Murder Mystery. Damn it. Good, you can clear this again, skin. Colored hexagons. So what does that do? The hell? Design? If people had just like $101,000, they would be poor. And I don't know what that skin did to me. Set to. Probably increase your. Yeah, exactly. It does. Come on, boy. No way. This space bar does not like me. Literally. It almost made me die. Okay, we're moving on to the hardest. Oh! Dude, the space bar does not like me! I pressed the space bar 2 times! Oh, it's Roblox, because when jump, you gotta wait 1 second before it has to jump again. Or it's just a freaking game. It's trying to be difficult. I'm trying to make your keyboard more cool. Damn. I'm doing it. Oh, yeah. What? They make that an impossible jump. Look, that thing over there, and they make that impossible. It's like 40 inches wide. Jesus Christ. Spent all that time going through freaking shit. And I didn't get anything. Okay, this is literally impossible. Can you please? Yeah. You can do it. You can do it. Yes! 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 Yes, Mexican! Yeah! Oh my god. You're doing this so fast. The key is... No! The key is them to report this game. Because they make their... They make their shit unexpectable. They make their shit unexpectable. Unexpectable. Stupid. Stupid. I hate their game. Texting simulator on Roblox is such a difficulty. Dude, I'm trying to do this. Oh, Sponge is like, give me Robux. Dude. Yeah, he's like, no! And he's like, stop! I'm gonna say, Sponge, stop asking for Robux. He is not giving you any. I said that. I can't see because that stupid. Okay, finally. Okay, somebody build a boat lover 21. Shout out to you. Say no problem. I stopped him. I stopped that freaking Sponger Barack guy. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but he's stupid. I'm red too. I'm recording too. Sponge, you are stupid. No! Dude. Bill the Boat Lover is so rich in this game. He's like full on freaking rich. He has like $207 million. I cannot even get that in the tip of my tongue. Oh my god. I'm gonna say call me Jack, okay? Because my real life name is Jack. Okay. Call me Build. Okay. Alright, he's putting smiley faces in the chat. Oh my goodness gracious. That was so close to dying right there. I was so close to dying. Let me see the math equations in my head here. So if we build a boat for treasure... Dude. Oh, yes! Yes! Woo! Yes! Oh, thank you! Jesus Christ, that took a long time. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna say nice iPad. I was say a nice iPad. And he's like, thanks. Then I put a little smiley face in chat. I'm flexing my booty out. Let's go. Okay, look at that. That's just outrageous. Just no. Use that. Just freaking just no. And Sponge left the server. No, he didn't need a server. I'm nuclear. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Nuclear Textplos. Aw. Hey, oh, millionaire texter. I got ranked. Guess what I actually did because millionaire texter, that was in Texas Explosion.